Hello everyone, my name is Justina. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the arms workout, okay? So just follow me here. First, grab your shoulder and make the circle with your elbow. Slowly and repeat this movement. This movement is done from your shoulder blades. At 15 seconds, we're gonna change the direction. Now draw a circle with your elbow backwards. Repeat this movement. Now change your elbow and repeat. Put your both hands on your shoulders and draw a circle. 3, 2, 1, switch. Now move your elbows backwards. Now bend your elbows in 90 degrees angle and squeeze your shoulder blades. Now grab your shoulder and move your elbow inwards and outward motion. Repeat this movement. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe us and give us some likes. Now put your hands in Namaste and squeeze your shoulder blades. Stretch your arm to the side. Great job! Now we finished the whole exercise. Now, the most important part is, if you have the body cavitation machine, you can use the RF and the ultrasonic to help you to lose the cellulite and tighten the skin. First, you're going to apply some gel and turn on the machine, choose the mode of ultrasound and radio frequency, and place it on your bingo wings. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes and switch into the other arms.